If you're looking to use ShopWired for international shipping, you're in the right place. I'll break it down in a few simple steps to show you exactly how it works, but stick around till the end because I'm going to reveal a better option you may not have considered. ShopWired, like other e-commerce platforms, offers a great way to sell internationally, but how does it handle shipping? First thing you need to know is that ShopWired offers multiple shipping options, and it integrates with several well-known carriers, so you can ship to almost any country worldwide. From DHL to Royal Mail and UPS, there's flexibility. But the actual process isn't as seamless as some other platforms. It involves a bit of setup for international shipping zones and carrier connections, which might be overwhelming if you're just starting out. Next thing to consider is their shipping rules and rates. ShopWired lets you set custom shipping rates for different countries, which can be useful. However, you have to manually input these rates, which might be time-consuming for larger stores with global reach. You can also offer flat rate shipping or real-time carrier rates, but it's important to ensure that all these configurations are correctly set to avoid surprises at checkout. The third thing is their taxes and duties feature. While ShopWired does have built-in features to account for VAT and taxes, you're still responsible for managing how duties are handled at customs. This can get tricky when shipping internationally because each country has its own import regulations. ShopWired doesn't do all the heavy lifting here, which could be a downside if you're looking for a more hands-off approach to international shipping. Now, the fourth thing is their international customer experience. ShopWired offers the ability to translate your store into different languages, but it requires additional apps or coding skills for a truly localized experience. If you're selling in a country with a language barrier, you might need to invest extra time or resources to make your site feel native to that audience. But the fifth thing is where things start to get a little tricky. While ShopWired works well for shipping, the actual international support isn't as robust as you'd expect from some of its competitors. If you run into issues with international shipping, you'll find the support options can be a bit slow and not as in-depth. For a global reach, you might want something that handles these issues with more sophistication. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While ShopWired does the job, there are platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce that have much more comprehensive international shipping features, such as automated customs documentation, global currency conversion, and real-time tax calculation. These tools can save you tons of time, especially if you're scaling your business globally. Now, here's the thing. Through our exclusive link, you can get an extended free trial to ShopWired, which is great if you want to try it out. But we also have some amazing alternatives that might be better for your international shipping needs. These platforms come with more advanced tools and features that could really give you the edge you need to ship seamlessly across the globe. So if you want the best free trial with extra benefits exclusive to our viewers, check out the link below. You'll be able to test these platforms risk-free and see if they're the right fit for you. Don't miss out.